Hello, my name is Chad Leitschuh, and I'm the manager here at the Willow Lake store on 86th Street for McNamara Florist. I'm just going to show you a couple things here on how to take an everyday object, whether it be a lantern or a centerpiece or something of that nature. You can do any size that you would like, and I've got a bunch of branches here that I'm going to take. This just happens to be bittersweet. Use real bittersweet if you wanted to. This happens to be artificial or faux, a lot of people call it. And all you do is, this is just a long stem that I've just taken and I've just kind of wound it around here. And I'm just going to kind of place it in the bottom of this lantern here. Like so, just so you get the effect of it coming up in the background. And then I happen to have a birch candle here, and you could use any kind of candle that you have at home, battery operated of course. And I'm going to put it on here, and I'm going to lay that down inside that branch that I turned around there. And then I'm gonna take, I've got another stem of the bittersweet here that I've just kind of cut apart into little pieces here. And I'm gonna kind of wind it around the bottom of the container here, just to give it a little effect at the bottom, because you don't want, to see all this blank space down here. You want a little bit of color and everything down there too. So I'm just gonna take a couple of these and just kind of fix them in there also. And you may have to work with it a couple times just to bend it and get it wound around there. And there's no right or wrong way to do this. It's just a matter of taste. It's a matter of how you want it to look in your home. I happen to like the bittersweet. Bittersweet is one of my favorites. Something like that. And then you can even add a couple little extra things if you wanted to. Fall leaves are kind of nice. I've just taken a regular bush here and I've cut pieces off of it. I've got bushes here at the 86th Street store, so you're welcome to purchase these. And you can just take the fall leaves and just kind of lay them down in the bottom there, just to add another little texture, another layer of color into your lantern. Let's get a little different color here besides the orange. Let's add a little bit of the green in there. You can even add, berries and anything like that. So you kind of get the idea of, something that you can change into, upgrade. And even if you have like a nice ribbon, I've got this ribbon here that's very nice. It's got kind of a leaf pattern on it, and it's got a little bit of a glitter sheen to it. I happen to like the burlap color, especially with the wood tones of the lantern. And you can make a bow or even, instead of not doing a full bow, you can always just do like several loops, which always looks nice. Sometimes a bow can be too big and kind of overpowering on something like this. Even if you just take like a couple loops with a couple take a piece of wire here, and I'm gonna wire it around the top of the bow just to hold my bow together here. And I'll just kind of work with the ribbon here a little bit so it cooperates with me. And then you can take something like this and just add to the top of it, or even to the side if you wanted to, like to the side of there. If you needed to add something more to this, You can always take little picks, such as like the berries and stuff. You can kind of work them into the ribbon and the bow if you wanted a little extra something on the top up there. But it's just a matter of taste and you know what you like, and like I said, there's no right or wrong way to do this. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and thank you, and hope to see you soon.